Whenever you plan, you must make certain assumptions that may or may not happen, like who will die first? And even when they do, then what? Tragedy struck one family when the entrepreneurial patriarch had a stroke, rendering him incapacitated and leaving his spouse to pick up the pieces and carry on. Though they talked often, had a wonderful relationship and a basic estate plan, she had no hands-on experience running the family enterprise that consisted of a variety of business and real estate investments that he told her were on automatic, and all she would have to do is cash the checks. Well, shortly thereafter, while she was struggling to get a handle on things, he passed away. This left her and her two children with the monumental task of settling his estate, listing all the assets, getting appraisals, dividing community property, and coordinating the efforts of their attorneys, accountants, investment advisors, and bankers in dealing with as many partners. What seemed to be a straightforward estate plan, leaving everything to her and then dividing it between their two children when she was gone, became even more complicated when her daughter died unexpectedly. Within months, the mother passed away, leaving her son the last man standing to finalize all three estates and guide his sister's children through the grieving process and inheritance. This is just one example. No matter how organized your affairs may be, as family fiduciary, you must always be aware that life has never been and never will be predictable.